Okay, so this is the example for writing the equation with a slope and 1 point of the line. Remember, our equations are going to be written as y equals mx plus b. M is our slope, and b is our y-intercept. For number 1, what is the equation of the line with the slope of 3? So we know our m is 3. And a point that goes through the line that is 2, 8. We are going to use this to solve for b. We need a b and an m to write the equation. We're going to label our points x1, y1, or just x and y. Following this, I'm going to put my y as 8 equals my m, which in this case is 3, times my x, which is 2, plus b, which we're solving for. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we're going to do the inverse to get b by itself, which is minus 6 on each side. 8 minus 6 is 2. So in this case, my b, which is my y-intercept, is 2. If you have an m and you have a b, you're going to be able to write the equation. Follow this. Y equals, my m is 3. I'm going to bring in my x plus my b, which is 2. So that is the equation of the line with a slope of 3 and a point of 2, 8. So this is going to be the homework problem on writing an equation for slope-intercept form with a point and your slope. Be sure you have your notes in front of you. If you didn't have them, you can get them on the website. Just click on it and transfer them to your notebook. I'm going to go ahead and do number 2 because the slope has a fraction. Remember, we're writing in y equals mx plus b. Again, m is my slope and b is my y-intercept. These are the two things we need to write the equation, my slope and my y-intercept. The slope given is 1/2, but we don't have our b. This is what we're looking for. We are also given 1 point, which is written as xy, which is 4, 6. We're going to plug it in here to solve for b. My y is 6 equals my m, which is 1/2, times my x, which is 4, and we're solving for b. The good thing about 1/2 being your fraction is you're just taking half of that number when you multiply, okay? So we're going to do 6. 1/2 times 4, basically what's half of 4, which is 2, plus my b. So if we had 1/3, 1/4, or 1/2, you're actually just dividing it by the denominator when you have a fraction. So that should help you. I'm going to do the inverse, which is subtraction of 2. This will cross out. 6 minus 2 is 4, and that represents my b. Okay? So now I have my slope of 1/2, and I have my y-intercept, which is 4. I have enough information to write the equation. Y equals, again, I'm just using this, which is going to help me. My m, which is my slope, which is 1/2. My x plus my y-intercept, which is 4. That is the equation of the line with a slope of 1/2 and 1 point that has 4, 6. Make sure you're following your notes, and fractions are pretty easy as long as you're looking at the denominator. You would just basically divide by the denominator.